Want to maximize your ROI in real estate? Here are some essential tips. First, location is key. Invest in areas with potential for growth. Look for neighborhoods with upcoming infrastructure or new businesses. Next, don't underestimate the power of renovations. Simple upgrades like modern kitchens or updated bathrooms can drastically increase a property's value. Always perform a thorough market analysis before buying. Understand the trends and demand in the area. Consider rental properties for consistent cash flow. Long-term leases often yield better returns than short-term. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your money in one property type. And finally, always stay informed about real estate laws and tax benefits. Knowledge is power. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to maximizing your ROI in real estate. Happy investing!